Hey folks, this is a quick video to show you a fairly new feature on LinkedIn for business owners, for sales professionals who work for a company that have a LinkedIn company page. If I go look at my network now, you can see under the invitations page that there's a company listed. It says company. Ignore will basically ignore the invite, except will follow the invite for this company. If I go look at see all, which is the invitation manager, you can see on this page now, see people, but you can also see companies and events on this page. And again, here's that company, and I can ignore or accept, and again, accept will follow that company. Stay tuned for more about events later. So in order for you to send your own company follow invite, let me show you how to do that. I go to my company page, and you can see there's a new option here. We'll talk about that later, but look under here under admin tools. There's a new. You can now invite your connections to follow your page. So if I go to admin tools, down arrow, invite connections, I can select the people I want to invite to follow my company page. Once I select all the ones that I want to select, then I just hit the invite connections, and it says the invitations have been sent. So again, under your My Network, you'll see people, companies, and events. More on that later. And you can accept or ignore following that company, and you can send your own invites out from your company page from the admin view page. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. I hope that was helpful.